welcome to another Science at Home. For this activity, you're going to need a glass of water, you'll need a plate, a straw, and then 5 toothpicks. You're going to want wooden toothpicks for this. Now what we're going to end up doing is kind of creating a little scientific art, really. So we're going to take our toothpicks and we're going to break them in half. So you want to kind of aim right for the midpoint, it'll turn out the best. And when you break these, you don't want to break it all the way through into 2 pieces. You want to break it just like that, so it's still connected, but it's flexible where I can shape it into a few different positions. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a few different shapes on our plate here with our toothpicks by placing them like this. I'm going to do my best to bend these so that they more or less all touch in the middle. Oops. There we go, like that. And now I'm going to take that straw that I have and the water, I'm going to put my straw in the water and cap my finger over the top of it. And what I want to do is put a few drops of water in the middle of all my toothpicks. So if you come in close here, when I drop the water in, you're going to start to see, and I want to do it really slowly. Need some more. So as my water gets added, my toothpicks start to push away from each other. You start to fall apart and you'll start to see a shape form there. So in this case we end up with a star. Now this toothpick wasn't quite broken in half, so my star is a little bit lopsided, but you can kind of see the shape that we're going for. Now you can try doing this in a few different ways. So if I kind of reset it here, I might try putting my toothpicks in here like this. And I'll add some water to that and we'll see what we get. Nope. I think I have too much water on my plate, so I probably need to dry it off again if I want to do it over. But you can try playing around with different initial starting shapes for your toothpicks and see if you can figure out what it's going to end up being. You can add more toothpicks or use less of them, like I tried doing on that last one. So just a fun little thing to see what different shapes you can get using the properties of wood there. That's going to want to float on the water, and that's going to actually kind of bend those toothpicks back a little bit as the water starts to absorb into the wood. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and we'll see you for our next science video. Bye! Scientific works of art almost.